Hey everyone, so today we're going to be teaching you how to make enchiladas. Before we start though, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to stay notified on our latest videos. This Mexican 5-star dish is honestly so yummy and you guys have to try it. So we're just going to start off with the white sauce, for which we're going to need 1.5 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/3 cup of flour, 1 chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon parsley, and 1/3 teaspoon salt. So first just heat the butter in a saucepan until it melts and then proceed to add the flour followed by the rest of the ingredients. After that, your white sauce should be ready. Now on to making the enchilada sauce, for which you will need 2 tablespoons melted butter, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon flour, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1/3 tablespoon salt, and 1.5 cup of tomato puree. Like before, heat the butter first and then add the onion and the garlic paste. Add each of the ingredients one by one and stir thoroughly each time a new ingredient is added, and after that your enchilada sauce should be done. So for the next step you will need your enchilada sauce, your white sauce from earlier, 1.5 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Just grease your dish with oil or melted butter and layer that with enchilada sauce. Layer the enchilada sauce with white sauce and also mozzarella cheese. After that step is done, you're going to need 2 medium-sized boiled chicken breasts and tortillas based on the size of your dish. So just mash the chicken using your hands. You can honestly just use a fork too if you don't want to touch the chicken, but it's honestly up to your own preference. So add approximately 2 tablespoons of enchilada sauce and shredded mozzarella cheese to the mixture. After that, just mix the 3 ingredients thoroughly until all of their flavors kind of just blend together. At this point, just take your tortillas and fill them with the mixture we just made. After the tortillas are all in place, you can layer them with the rest of your enchilada sauce, followed by a layer of mozzarella cheese. You can also use this moment to use up the rest of your white sauce and pretty much go crazy with the rest of the mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it all off with some chili flakes and you're done. The last step is just to bake it on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, it should be ready to serve. I'm honestly not kidding when I'm talking about how tasty this dish is. It's like so damn good. If you guys enjoyed this video or liked the recipe, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time.